How to cast off for left-handed knitters. Hi, I'm Kristen and welcome back to my channel, Studio Knit. Binding off is also called casting off, and it's how we take these loops and finish off our work. And if you're looking for the right-handed version of this video, I have the link in the description below. We begin by knitting 2 stitches of our row. Now binding off. Now binding off. Taking the point of our right knitting needle, lift the first stitch up and over the second stitch, and then off your left needle, and then just repeat. Knit the next stitch of the row, and take that first stitch up and over, and repeat. Bind off your stitches loosely so that your edge is elastic, just like your knitting piece. You may also want to use a larger needle to bind off if desired. If you are excited to bind off today, go ahead, like up this video. It really helps me out. So I'm going to jump ahead here. After you have bound off all of the stitches, I want to show you what comes next. Finishing up the bind off row, you will have 1 stitch remaining. Cut your yarn and make sure the yarn tail is at least 3 inches long. I like to make mine longer. Take your tapestry needle and thread your yarn into it. Then carefully remove your knitting needle from the last stitch. With your tapestry needle, you'll pull the yarn tail through your last stitch. And this last little step is called finishing off. Complete our knitted swatch by weaving in our ends. So the little yarn tails at the beginning and the end of our work, using our tapestry needle, we're going to weave them in. I hope you are inspired to cast off your knitting stitches with confidence. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you here next time. Bye!